Good morning, student. Now, the same chapter, vector algebra and exercise 10.1. Yesterday I have discussed already basic concept of the vector. What is vector? What is scalar? Right? But today, now exercise 10.1 and question number first, vector A is given, vector B is given, vector C is given. And now compute the magnitude of the following vectors. So now look here, first thing, question number first, then vector A is given I cap plus j cap plus k cap. Vector B is given 2I cap minus 7j cap minus 3k cap. Vector C is given 1 upon root 3I cap plus 1 upon root 3 j cap plus minus 1 upon root 3 k cap. Now find the magnitude for the following vectors. Now look here, student, magnitude is denoted by two parallel lines. Now find the magnitude of vector A. What is the formula of magnitude? Magnitude, that means is a under root square of the coefficient of I cap square of the coefficient of j cap plus square of the coefficient of k cap. That means is a 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is a root 3 is the first answer, that is the magnitude of vector A. Same thing, magnitude of vector B, then under root square of 2 plus square of minus 7k plus square of minus 3. So what are the square of 2 is 4, square of 7 49, square of 3 is 9. Then 49 plus 9, 49 plus 9, that is a 58, and 58 plus 4, then 62. Right? Now another, find the magnitude of vector C. Under root is again square of the coefficient of A cap, that is square is 1 by 3. Then again 1 by 3 is a 1 by 3. So that is a, then 3 by 3, that is a root 1, that is 1. Then magnitude is 1, this is a unit factor. But is a noun, only find the magnitude. Now the second question. Write two different vector having the same magnitude. आपको ऐसे दो different vector लिखने जिनका magnitude same हो. Right? For example, vector A is the I cap plus j cap plus 0k cap. And vector B is I cap minus j cap. Then find magnitude of vector A is root 2 and magnitude of vector B is also root 2. So magnitude are same. तो ऐसा एग्जाम्पल इज अनदर एग्जाम्पल 2I plus j cap या 2I minus j cap, दैट इज द सेम मैग्नीट्यूड. तो आप ऐसे कई डिफरेंट एक वेक्टर ले सकते हो, वो था डिफरेंट वेक्टर बट मैग्नीट्यूड सेम. तो ऐसे इनफाइनाइट वेक्टर पॉसिबल है. तो आपको कोई भी एक एग्जाम्पल देख के आपको लिखना है दैट इज अ इनफाइनाइट वेक्टर आर पॉसिबल. सेम क्वेश्चन नंबर थर्ड, राइट टू डिफरेंट वेक्टर हैविंग द सेम डायरेक्शन. अब आपको ऐसे दो वेक्टर लिखने हैं जिनकी डायरेक्शन सेम हो, डिफरेंट हो बट डायरेक्शन सेम होना चाहिए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल वेक्टर ए इज इक्वल टू आई कैप प्लस 0j कैप प्लस 0k कैप. वेक्टर बी इज 3I कैप राइट माइनस 0k कैप 0k कैप. राइट, टू डिफरेंट वेक्टर बट डायरेक्शन इज सेम. व्हाई? That is the I that coefficient of I, that is the x coordinate is x equals to 1, this is 1, x equals to 1, y equals to x equals to 3, this is the 1 2 3. Then direction is the same. Right, direction same है, different vector है. तो ऐसे भी मैं कई example सकता हूँ 1I cap right plus 2j cap. Right, so that is different vector but direction is same. So इसमें भी infinite vector are possible. So third question में भी आपको एक example देख के now write infinite vector are possible. Question number 4, two vector are given. Vector A is a 2I cap plus 3j cap and vector B are given xi cap plus yj cap. And now according to question, vector A equals to vector B. Two vector are equal. Right, vector A is a 2I cap plus 3j cap and vector B is a xi cap plus yj cap. And find the value of x or y. Student, कोई भी दो वेक्टर अगर इक्वल है, that means is now equating coefficient of I cap. This side is x, that side is a 2. That means x equals to 2. And same y equals to coefficient of j cap, this side is y, that side is 3, so y equals to 3. Now find the value of x and y. X is 2, y is 3. This is answer. The vector equal are now equating the coefficient of I cap, coefficient of j cap, coefficient of a cap, both the side. Now question number 6. Find the sum of, question number 6, find the sum of three vectors. Vector A is given, vector B is given, and vector C is given. Vector A, I cap minus 2j cap plus k cap. Vector B is minus 2I cap plus 4j cap plus 5k cap. Vector C is I cap minus 6j cap minus 7k cap. And find the value sum of three vectors. That means find the value of A plus B plus C. इसमें वेक्टर A is given, वेक्टर B is given, वेक्टर C is given, और तीन वेक्टर को ऐड करना हो या डिफरेंस फाइंड करना हो, दैट इज I से I ऐड होंगे, J से J ऐड होंगे और K से K ऐड होंगे. दैट मीन्स 1I कैप माइनस 2J कैप प्लस 1I कैप, दैट इज 0I कैप. सेम माइनस 2J प्लस 4J माइनस 6 और 2 माइनस 8 प्लस 4, दैट इज अ माइनस 4J कैप. Same 5 plus 1 6k and minus 7k, that is minus k cap. This is answer. Question number 5th. Now look here student, question number 5th, 7th, 8th, 9th, all are same question. Find the scalar and vector component of the initial 2 points. Now given 2 points, initial point A and terminal point B. Initial point is given 2, 1 and terminal point is given minus 5, 7. Question number 5th में find the scalar and vector component of the vector with initial point is given and terminal point is given. Now is the initial point is given. First thing, both are in Cartesian form. जब कोई Cartesian form में है तो सबसे पहले इसको vector form में लिखना है. Now write is the position vector of point A. That is vector OA. Now this is x coordinate, this is y coordinate. You know student, I cap, j cap and k cap. What are the I cap, j cap, k cap? Are unit vector along axis. I cap is a unit vector along x axis, j cap is a unit vector along y axis and k cap is a unit vector along z axis. So now look here, first thing now write vector form, that is a 2, 1. That means 2 I cap plus 1 j cap. This is vector form. Same is a position vector of point B. Now write is the vector OB notation and minus 5 I cap plus 7 j cap. But now find vector AB. A is the initial point, B is the terminal point, any ending point. So vector AB, what is the formula of vector AB? OB minus OA. Terminal vector minus initial vector. So what are the OB? Then OB is given and OA is given. Minus 5 minus 2I, that is minus 7j cap. Same 7j minus j, that is 6k cap. 6j cap. Right? So this is the value of minus 5 minus 2 minus 7I cap and 7 minus j, that is a plus 6j cap. So this is the vector AB. But now write what are the scalar component, what are the vector component. You know student, scalar component, that means is a minus 7 and my plus 6 are scalar component. लेकिन अगर इसी को अगर what are the vector component, vector component that means minus 7I cap कॉमा 6j कैप. यानी कि आप किसी के साथ में I और j के लगा दो, दैट इज अ वेक्टर कंपोनेंट. विदाउट I j, दैट मीन्स ओनली कोएफिशिएंट, दैट इज अ स्केलर कंपोनेंट. सो व्हाट आर द स्केलर कंपोनेंट? इज अ minus 7 and plus 6 are scalar component, but minus 7I cap comma 6j cap, that is a vector component. Now question number 6, and question number 6 is find the unit vector. Student, yesterday I have discussed what are the unit vector denoted by cap, right? Vector A is given and find the unit vector in the direction of vector A. Question number 7, find unit vector in the direction of this vector, matlab direction of vector A. Now question number 7, vector A is given I cap plus j cap plus 2k cap. Now find the unit factor. Unit factor find करने के लिए find the unit vector in the direction of vector A. In unit vector denoted by A cap. And what is the unit vector? Formula is vector A upon magnitude of A. You know student, vector A is given. Unit vector find करने के लिए about two things, vector A and magnitude. Vector A is given. What are the magnitude of vector A? Under root square of 1 plus square of 1 plus square of 2. That means square of coefficient of I cap, square of coefficient of j cap and square of coefficient of k cap. That means 1 plus 1 plus 4. That is root 6. Now substitute the vector A is I cap plus j cap plus 2k cap. And magnitude is root 2. This is unit vector. So there are 3 to 4 question unit vectors, 7th, 8th, 9th, right, and 10th are unit vectors. So please students solve question number 1 to 10. Thank you.